Okay, with the turret, let's go ahead and set up the script file for it. What we want to do for the basic idea is that the turret itself is going to we're going to do a constant look at, so that wherever the player moves, the turret's just going to follow it. There's a lot of properties you can set to change behaviors of each of these objects. We're just focusing on the major ones. To get started with, let's go ahead and go to our turret script. So we'll go into turret. And for the turret, let's see, what we want to do is probably get the same kind of elements like the hero, in that we want to be able to shoot the cannonballs from it. We want to be able to follow the player. And then we want to be able to have health for it as well. So let's see, we'll say turret. Let's go ahead and just start with some of the basics. We need a public variable for the cannonball. So let's go ahead and add this in. We're going to have a cannonball object, and then we also want to have a variable for the transform of our player. So these two are the main ones we want to start with. If we go back into Unity, go ahead and save this, go back into Unity, select the turret top. You should see the turret script. You should see player and cannonball. So let's go ahead and add these two to it. So the player is going to be our hero. Just left click and drag the hero over here. You'll notice it gets its transform. The cannonball is over in your prefabs. So just left click and drag the cannon prefab over to your cannonball spot. So now you have the turret with the two elements that it needs to get started with. Let's go ahead and save. We'll go back into our script again. So with the next part, let's go ahead and start with our basic void update. So again, we just want to have a constant update, which means we want to constantly check on a couple of things. One's going to be following the player, and then the other is going to be shooting. So we'll go ahead and make a new method. Let's call this one follow player. And the follow player, the idea behind it is just using the transform look at, and then we're just going to say wherever the transform object is, rotate to that one. So let's just say this transform, and then look at, and it's going to look for a world position, and the world position is going to be the player transform. Right. And then let's go ahead and add the follow player. Follow player. There we go. So if we do update follow player, and what we're doing is looking at the look at directly at the player, that means if we go back in here and we push play, what you'll notice is that wherever the player moves, now the turret follows them. So we have our look at working for us, which is good. Now we need to add in the next element, which is going to be shooting, but we'll go ahead and stop at this point. Be sure that you feel good about where this is set up, and then we'll look at shooting. It's going to be a little bit more, so we'll pause this one and move to the next one.